diagonal pliers are pliers intended for the cutting of wire. The plane defined by the cutting edges of the jaws intersects the joint rivet at an angle or on a diagonal, hence the name. Action: instead of using a shearing action as with scissors, diagonal pliers cut by indenting and wedging the wire apart. The jaw edges are ground to a symmetrical V shape, thus the two jaws can be visualized to form the letter X, as seen end-on when fully occluded. The pliers are made of tempered steel, and inductive heating and quenching are often used to selectively harden the jaws. Jargon: dikes or dikes as in the phrase a pair of dikes, or hand me those dikes as jargon used especially in the electrical industry, to describe diagonal pliers. Dike can also be used as a verb, such as in the idiom, when in doubt, dike it out. In the United Kingdom and Ireland, diagonal pliers are commonly referred to as snips, and in Australia and Canada they are often referred to as side cutters. Insulation: the handles of diagonal cutting pliers are commonly insulated with a dip type or shrink fit electrically insulating material for comfort and some protection against electric shock. Uses: diagonal pliers are useful for cutting copper, brass, iron, aluminium and steel wire. Lower quality versions are generally not suitable for cutting tempered steel, such as piano wire, as the jaws are not hard enough. Attempting to cut such material will usually cause indentations to be made in the jaws, or a piece to break out of one or both jaws, thus ruining the tool. However, higher quality side cutters can cut hardened steel, such as 2 mm piano wire. Variations: for electronics work, special diagonal cutters that are ground flush to the apex of the cutting edge on one side of the jaws are often used. These flush cutting pliers allow wires to be trimmed flush or nearly flush to a solder joint, avoiding the sharp tip left by symmetrical diagonal cutters. It is common for this type of diagonal cutter to be referred to by another name, such as flush cutter, to distinguish it from symmetrical cutters. Some pliers for electrical work are fitted with wire cutter blades either built into the jaws or on the handles just below the pivot. For metal working there are two variations. Right-handed, which leave the right side of the cut metal bent up and the left side bent down, and left-handed, which leave the left side of the cut metal bent up and the right side bent down. External links: judging the quality of diagonal cutters,